Internet, what's up? This is Rod, TechGuySmartBuy.com, and today we're talking about the cameras on the LG V40. Now, there are 5 of them. They have different perspectives, different angles, some different things going on, but the question is, are any of them actually any good? We'll let you know in this video. Stay tuned and we'll dive deeper into each camera and what are their strengths and weaknesses. So on the rear, the main shooter is a standard f1.5 12 megapixel sensor. Then you got a super wide angle f1.9 16 megapixel sensor. And then you have f2.4 12 megapixel telephoto sensor. So the standard lens, opted for lower megapixels than G7, but perform better in low light situations. The super wide angle lens offers a 107-degree view, as the telephoto lens offers a 45-degree view with a 2x zoom. Although you have the choice of several lenses, the main shooter is probably going to be the best for most conditions. It gives you the sharpest results. The super wide, it's good. It's not as much distortion as others. And then, then you get a lot more image. And then the telephoto winds up being the noisiest and the darkest of the 3, as it has no stabilization on board. So on the video side, it offers a great video quality you expect from LG. One of the features that may be viewed as a gimmick, but it's, I guess it depends on your view of it. It's called triple shot. Allows you to take a photo from all 3 lenses, giving you one shot from 3 different perspectives. Now onto the front. So you got the 2 shooters in the front. They offer f1.9 8 megapixel sensor and an f2.25 megapixel wide angle sensor, which is pretty much the same as it was on the G7. Other than standard and wide angle selfies, you can do a little bit more. You have the portrait mode in the front, and then you have portrait lighting, which we've seen on the iPhone 10 and all that stuff. The results of using the different things, the portrait lighting wasn't all that great. Not something I would use often. I used it a few times, just was like, meh. As far as like the quality of the front-facing cameras, they're not as sharp as they used to, as I'd like. You could see, heavy processing and smoothing out, and that's without like any type of beauty mode. The strengths is in the back, the front is just there. So as long as you got enough light, you can pull off some good shots. The versatility that this offers is nothing like that's out there right now, at least till we get into 2019, because we got CES and everybody else's smartphones coming. I still appreciate the versatility of the cameras. I think they're great cameras, especially, like I said, the main shooter is still my go-to, but you can't go wrong with the wide angle either. Let us know if you wanted to talk about the camera a little bit more, or anything that we missed. We can talk about it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us, and see you next video. Peace.